Want to build strong muscular arms fast and make your sleeves fit tight and look great? You only need to spend a few minutes a day practicing these exercises. Stick with it for a few weeks and you'll start seeing real results. No more talking, let's get straight into it. Start with the first exercise. Hold for 45 seconds. Face away from a bench. Place your hands behind you on the edge of the bench. Extend your legs forward with your heels on the ground and toes pointing up. Keep your arms close to your body. Don't let them flare out. Now bend your elbows and slowly lower your body toward the ground until your elbows reach about a 90° angle. Then push yourself back up to the starting position. Repeat. Move on to the second exercise. Hold for 45 seconds. Kneel on the mat and cross your feet, lifting your ankles off the ground. Make fists and place them on the floor. Lean your body forward until your head and knees form a straight line. Your hands should be directly under your chest, slightly wider than shoulder width. Now bend your elbows and lower your body toward the floor, keeping your elbows pointing backward. Push yourself back up and repeat. Take a 15-second rest. Now the third exercise, hold for 45 seconds. Start in a plank position with your forearms on the ground and elbows bent. Keep your knees off the floor and support your body with your toes. Place your palms flat. Now, one arm at a time, push up by straightening your elbows until both arms are fully extended in a high plank position. Keep your hand placement steady. Then lower back down one arm at a time to the starting position. Repeat the movement. Fourth exercise, 45 seconds. Lie on your left side with your knees bent and stacked. Place your left forearm flat on the floor with your fingers pointing forward. Rest your right hand lightly on your stomach. Now push through your left elbow and lift your hips off the ground. Then slowly lower your body back down with control. Repeat. Fifth exercise, 45 seconds. Switch to your right side. Keep your knees bent and stacked. Place your right forearm on the floor, fingers pointing forward. Rest your left hand on your stomach. Lift your hips up using your right elbow, then slowly lower back down. Repeat. Great job! You've completed today's workout. Stay consistent and your arm definition will improve faster than you think. See you in the next session.